Storm Artistes. My parents thought they were gonna have twins, and they wanted two crazy boys. They were gonna name one Thunder and one Storm. But instead, I turned out to be a fat baby, so the guys got both one. But my eldest brother's name is Ron, so they kept it simple early on. But as we got on, we got a little more creative. Said, oh little river, carry me along, down to the old, young and free one, so far from heaven, so far away from home. Strangers are gathered, the arms wide open, asking the questions like, show me an answer. Won't someone tell me which way it's left to go? We're going down, down